Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka Lady Keane College, haga henreu tarik unai lor arjar arpulai, kala Pynkup Burom ya ki Samla Pule ki pala pendep ya ka graduation nagane ka college, harengkat ka jingsak hilang jongu menteri ketenat Pule putih ke Sorkar Jela, o rakam sangma u balalong ku mukongsan hagane ka sngi, rengkat ka jingdon lang jong ka Vice Chancellor ka Martin Luther Christian University, ka Professor TK Baman ka balalong kum ka sembut kongsan, u Principal Jongka College u Dr. DKB Mukim, u Vice Principal u Ba R. De Cruz, ka Principal Barim ka Dr. C. Masar, kinohikai Jongka College ki Samla Pule balasya Pynkup Burom rengkat bat ki kmegi kipa. Hagane ka sngi lasam ya ki certificate sya ki laispa laipongut ki khna ki bala pendep ya ka graduation haka art stream, science stream, bat hagi professional course. Lasamru ya ki khusnam syaki khat saungut ki Samla Pule ki balawan syakmat hagi eksamen baper bala pelong daga skul ba nehu.
A friend of ours will be collecting certificate for her. Samla Mitra Kashya. We have those who see me. Job
From the bottom of my heart, at the very outset, my congratulations to all the graduates and also to all the meritorious students. My young friends, my young graduate, let us always remember ourselves. As you start the new pages of your life and the new journey of your career, make sure you will never disappoint in the days to come that you are going ahead. This generation is completely the changes of what happened yesterday. The software which is updated for tomorrow, yesterday, it's become outdated for today. And the design that you have, the ideas that you have, the contents that we have studied today, it may not work for tomorrow. If artificial intelligence are going to take over the human workforce, the days to come, where our people will be absorbed. Our young people, our graduates will be jobless. There will be crisis, human crisis across the globe. That was the complaint from among the many honorable ministers across the country, across the globe. That was the answer he said. Therefore, this is the generation of computer science and technology. It doesn't mean all the workforce will be substituted by the technology. No, it is not. Therefore, in the computer science and technology should substantiate, not the substitute. Therefore, my friends, this artificial intelligence, the computer science is to substantiate human endeavor. Therefore, as a human being, as a students of today's generation, the world, the globe should design the curriculum, should design the contents, should design the education policy in such a way that the human force will always one step away than the technology. Therefore, knowing all this fact, the Minister of Education Government of India has come up with a new education policy to make the country, to make India as a world global knowledge center. So that our minds, our brains should be expert, will be able to use this technology for the future use of our generation. My young friends, in our state, in our region, our institutions may not be able to absorb all of you for the postgraduate and further studies. You may have to go out to the other parts of the state and other parts of the country. With all the challenges that going to be comes on your way, I want to request all of you, let us prepare our minds beyond our boundary, beyond our limitation.
Jonathan Nessa, Erika Mervin, Vasanti Mandal, Nomita Sukyang, H. Alvazenia Lalu, Dr. Sabat Lindor, Miva Ritara, Kirhai Kiskel, Ham Ibha Tezeshwani Vajra. So that these awards are alumni awards.